Hello, my name is Jody Samuels from FX Trader's Edge. Today, I'd like to introduce you to Neil Bradford, our head coach and mentor of the Wavy Tunnel Pro Desk. As Neil says, with no bull, no hype, and no false promises, he will show you how he sees into the future. Yes, you guessed it, in trading the market. I have worked with Neil over 10 years now, and to quote him, the Wavy Tunnel Pro is a system with high probability trades and occurrences. It's like having a crystal ball where you know who the winner is before the race is won. Neil is a trading master. Without further ado, with no bull, no hype, and no false promises, meet Neil and watch him as he presents Seeing the Future.
Hello traders, and welcome to the Wavy Tunnel Pro High Probability Trading or Seeing the Future webinar by myself, Neil. We have a disclaimer here which I need to show you. You need to read it, you need to understand. While I'm saying that, I just want to ask you, do you think it's possible to see into the future with respect to trading? You must do, because it's the only way you can make money, by knowing what's going to happen next. Stick with us and find out more. So let's go right back to basics. And let's keep this really, really simple, because I believe it is. Why do we trade? Obvious, isn't it? We trade to make money. Why do we analyze? Why do we look at the markets and perform some analysis on what has already happened? Well, again, it's obvious. We do that so that we can find trades, so that we can make money. So we have to start with the analysis. So, more questions. Do you think trading, and therefore analysis, is simple or complicated? Well, let me tell you, it depends how you do it. It's your choice. You can choose a simple method or you can choose a complicated method. Do you think trading is easy? Or is it difficult? Well, you know what's coming, don't you? It's your choice. It depends how you see it. I know for a fact you can make your trading both easy and simple. Believe me? Well, stick with us and you'll find out. We're going to be looking at one aspect of making trading easy and simple. But first of all, I want to start with some features of this presentation. No bull. Yep, this is all genuine stuff. No hype. It's exactly as it is. What you see is what you get. No false promises. You can do this. We hope that what you're about to see inspires you. And I can remind you that if you can, please visit the link at the bottom of the page if you want to find out more. Okay, let's make a start then. Seeing the future. Some facts about trading. I just want you to really get back to basics with this. No system is 100%. The market is chaotic and random. Sometimes the market does not move as expected. So you need to use a system that gives a high probability of winning trades. High probability means trading that for the most of the time you can see the future. It's like having a crystal ball that tells you who the winner is before the race is run. This is achievable. Remember, I promise you, no bull, no hype, no false promises. Some trades will fail, guaranteed, but most will provide profits, and that's enough to grow an account at a rate that is more than acceptable. It's all you need to be successful. The Wavy Tunnel Pro trading system is a high probability trading system with quite a number of high probability trading strategies buried within it. To prove this, I'm not going to tell you about the system. I'm going to show you some historical evidence. What I'm about to show you is not with hindsight telling you how you could have traded if you'd have known what was going on. It's a genuine prediction. And you know what? We actually publish these regularly. So here's a video we posted out to our members on the 23rd of October 2019. It was a heads up for a buy on the Australian dollar. We used the Wavy Tunnel Pro trading system and our knowledge of high probability events. So before we look at what happened, I'd like to show you that video, and then you can see what we said up front. So here's the video.
Good day traders, welcome to another FX Traders Edge Trade with Confidence video. This time it's number 15 and it's for the Aussie US. And here we go. Well, hopefully you can see from the daily chart that we need an upper yellow semaphore. This fill the gap is not finished yet, and we're currently doing a little retrace. So the idea is to go long to complete the fill the gap on the daily chart and get that upper yellow semaphore. At the moment, you can see on the H4 a retrace is going on, and we seem to be moving into the wave. Therefore, we look for a breakout 3. When we get into the wave, we're looking for a snapback on the bungee and then the classic breakout 3 confirmation. So keep your eye on this one. On the hourly, it should also be a bounce off the tunnel breakout 4 type trade. So keep your eye out and good luck.
So that was the trade. That was what we published ahead of time. And here are some charts showing how the trade worked. And we're going to look at the details. This is the daily chart, and this is the blue line that shows when the trade idea was published. And you can see that the fill the gap trade did complete up here to the tunnel, and that the yellow semaphore appeared exactly as predicted. That move generated about 75 pips from the trade notification to the top of the move. However, we moved lower in the first instance, again, as expected and explained in the video. So we use our knowledge of the Wavy Tunnel Pro system to find our entry. So here's the 4-hour chart. Once again, you can see the blue vertical line shows where the trade idea was published. The move lower to the wave did in fact go deeper than expected. But then we got a trade entry lower than when the trade was first published. And from here, the move was about 103 pips. Using our exit technique, the trade would have generated 83 pips of profit for an 18 pip stop loss. Work it out for yourself. If you were trading 2% of your account or 1% or any amount, you can see that an 83 pip profit for an 18 pip stop is an excellent trade. Now, our current success rate for predicting these market moves is, you got to wait for it, 94%. 94% of our predictions for market moves come to pass. Remember, no bull, no hype, no false promises. We have the evidence. These trades are published ahead of time. We publish these regularly, and our members are emailed with a link when they come out. You can do this too. And if you need our support achieving it, you've got it. Here are some more examples of high probability predictions. We're using the MT4 strategy tester, which enables us to make predictions without knowing what happened next. Please remember, no bull, no hype, no false promises. These are genuine predictions. If you want to learn more, there's a link below you can go to. So here we are with another. At this point, the Wavy Tunnel trading system is giving us a buy signal for its breakout 3 strategy. The breakout 3 is expected to make a new high, and it did. From here, we went up to a new high. These high probability seeing into the future opportunities work on any time frame, but the biggest moves are obviously on the higher time frames. Now we've had a move down, and we expect a retrace up that fails to make a new high, and then a continuation of this move down to the tunnel, and that move is tradable. Well, look what happened. We got our retrace up, and we got our move down to the tunnel. It's exactly what happened. These events have a success rate of between 80 and 95% if you know what to look for. Remember what we said at the beginning of this presentation. I'll remind you, you can make your trading both easy and simple. Here's another example. Here there is a very high probability that the move up here will continue until we get one of these red diamonds at the top side, and in fact a yellow diamond at the top side. This is a continuation of a Wavy Tunnel breakout 4 trade, which started down here at the tunnel at the end of the previous trade down that we just looked at. And our high probability expectations for an upper red and an upper yellow diamond are supporting that view. Well, look what happened. The red and the yellow diamonds did appear as expected, and now things have changed. We are in fact looking for an upper grey arrow pointer like this one here to the top side, once again confirming that this breakout 4 trade from the Wavy Tunnel trading system is heading for a new high. Well, the upper grey arrow is exactly what happened. You have to believe me, it's underneath this purple one. So there you go, another successful prediction using our trading system and our knowledge of high probability events. Remember, these are genuine predictions. You can see them being made live in our trading rooms and as a result of our Trade with Confidence videos. Well, I hope that short presentation fires your imagination. I hope you can see how the Wavy Tunnel Pro trading system really does let you see into the future and enable you to make money. We do this at FX Traders Edge Wavy Tunnel Pro by providing easy to understand training. We teach you how to identify the high probability opportunities, and we are with you in our trading rooms and our chat rooms. We follow up our training with live examples and repeat and repeat and repeat until you get it. You can take advantage of the fact that we are sharing years and years of experience. In Jodie's case, decades, if you won't mind me saying that, of experience to save you time so you don't have to reinvent wheels. All you have to do is do as the system tells you. Be disciplined about that. Be patient. Wait for these opportunities to crop up. You can't force trades. You just do as you're told. Do what the system says. So if that short presentation has fired you up, please think about joining the Wavy Tunnel Pro community. Sign up for the FX Traders Edge Wavy Tunnel Pro 2020 class to begin seeing the future and get immediate access to our Trade with Confidence videos so that you can earn while you learn. Sounds like a good deal to me. So I thank you everyone for being here. I hope it was helpful. I hope it's fired your imagination. I hope it was interesting for you. Remember, be disciplined, be patient, have fun with your trading. It should be. And I look forward to seeing you in our trading rooms through the Wavy Tunnel Pro Desk. And once again, remind you that at the bottom of the screen, there is a link you can follow. Thank you. Bye.